Good morning. Grumpy old redneck here on frosty January morning. This is January 20th, 2024. Sun shining. It's not raining. So despite being 34 degrees, it's actually a nice day. My woodshed is wanting to fall over backwards because the back corner has sunk. So my plan is to hook a chain up to the top. I'll come along down to one of these trees over here, pull that sucker upright, put some wedges underneath the footing block that sank. So I'm going to set you all up on time lapse. You can all watch me work. That looks a lot better. Maybe a little bit more. This pile's leaning over again. I restacked this so it wasn't leaning, and it's leaning again. Uh-oh. That is not what I wanted it to do. I did not want it to move forward. Not good. Shit. Okay. So this front one is not on anything. So the whole thing needs to be jacked up. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Extraordinarily a jack plate on here. But you know, I can do that. But for now, of course I can't put the brake under it. There just ain't room under it. Well, I gotta move the wood pile to get the back put back on. And that's gonna take some work because it's quite the wood pile. Y'all can't see it. So to fix the back, I need to take down and completely restack the wood pile. That's a lot of work, and I'm not going to film it. But I got it pulled up somewhat level. The whole thing needs to be jacked up about 4 inches, which maybe I'll film that, maybe I won't. It's a lot of work. That front leg slid. It's not sitting on concrete like I thought it was. So I need to fix that. However, I'm going to end the video here because, well, I accomplished one part, and it's going to take me a lot of manual labor to do the other part, and it's probably going to take a couple hours. I have my doubts if I get it done today. So, for now, Grumpy Old Redneck saying, y'all be safe.